Ohio. Here we go, Dodge fans. Again, our open street diesel here tonight. Well, again, fans, a big thank you for each and every one of you to come out here on this wonderful Saturday night here at Chest Springs, PA. Mother Nature has blessed us with a beautiful night. I just found out you guys have had some pretty decent evenings out here, so. All right, pack carefully. Our next one right there. There you go, fans. Beautiful run. 275 feet and 275.79 at 19,007 Duramax. Right here out of Chest Springs, PA here, folks. So, Chevy fans, here you go. Number 2 for the night. Again, good showing of vehicles out here tonight for you, fans. What a way. I'll tell you what, ladies and gentlemen, he was not going to stop. He was going to see what the first few rows of corn looked like down there. All right, Sean Snowberger coming to you, 2006 Dodge. Getting ready to come right here, ladies and gentlemen. Another good run. .328 feet and 5. 328 feet, .5. All right, here we go. Get ready to come your way. 2006 Dodge 2500. Down there, fans. 346 feet and 3. 346.32. 346.3. All right, Damian Carter, here we go. Derek Bressler doing a digging job down here at the end, ladies and gentlemen. 339 feet and 4, 339.42. Started pulling last year with this tractor, and wow, some nice looking shirts and stuff. The shirts look identical to the tractor. So make sure you stop over there. They've got huge sizes, they got sweatshirts and all, so make sure you make your way over there and get some here tonight. Johnstown, Ohio. 277 feet and 7, 277.77 at 20.2. Here we go, Hunter's Run, 2003 GMC. Not so bad of a run. Hunter getting right down there toward the end, 285 and 7. 285.77 at 21.4 mile an hour here for 100 of the evening. Not a bad run at all tonight. GMC going down the track now. Tom Zufall, ladies and gentlemen, get ready to come your way, Dodge fans. Here you go. Nice run laid down there by Tom. 323 feet, .02, 323.02, 24.4 miles. Again, no stranger to the track here, folks. Flags are out. 360 to march to beat. Well, again, right there was 259 his first pull. Not a bad run. 272 and 5. 272.58. Top 3 in points currently. So we'll see what he can do. Robert Pangatto out of Clarington, Pennsylvania. The Cummins powered machine. How about that, fans? What do we got for a distance, Steve? 319 feet, or excuse me, 313 feet and 9. 313.9.